rocket ship ride continues. Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas has a story. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, up over 100 yesterday. What was the main driver?
Right, yesterday the Dow was up 103 points, closed at 25,386, led by Boeing. It was up $8 to $318 per share. The JOLTS report showed a drop in jobs available. 5.88 million jobs are ready to be filled, which still shows strength in the job market. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.546%, the highest level in almost 10 months.
That's great news. What happened at Boeing yesterday?
Well, Boeing delivered 763 planes in 2017, one higher than previous best set in 2015. This will be the sixth straight year they beat Airbus in deliveries. Boeing booked orders for 912 planes in 2017, so they now have a backlog of 5,864 planes or 7 straight years of production.
Wow. So don't worry about Boeing anytime soon. I guess they're not going anywhere. That's why their stock was up $8 yesterday.
$8 yesterday to $318 a share.
All right, that's Boeing. There's a new report out by CEOs.
No, yeah, well, Jamie Dimon of J.P. Morgan, which is firm thinks economy will grow at 4% this year, which is higher than his own economic. Economists think most economists are looking for a 3% growth, which would be some of the best growth we've had in years. And if we get 4% growth, it would mean the stock market is not expensive. An old joke, economists have successfully predicted 10 of the last 3 recessions. The joke is economists are always predicting recessions or seeing the glass as half empty. And this time, at least, this CEO looks for 4% growth, which would be huge.
That is an interesting story, a nugget by Jamie Dimon. And then finally, what is SuperValu?
SuperValu is a grocery store. They reported third quarter earnings this morning. Sales increased 31% to $3.94 billion, led by strong wholesale demand. SuperValu made a profit of $18 million, or 46 cents per share, much better than the $11 million loss in the year-ago quarter. This was a nice report for the grocer and shows there is plenty of room for growth.
There you go. Markets today.
Today the Dow looks off 100 points on the futures right now. It's a light day for economic numbers, but we do hear from a few Fed members, including our own St. Louis Fed President Jim Bullard this afternoon. So,
Scott, good work as always. Have yourself a good day, and we will talk to you tomorrow.